out of my mind.
Who's in that truck? I don't know, he's not in there. Stop! Dude, he hit! Whose truck is this? Whose truck is that? Guys, I need a driver for one of these trucks!
Our truck was stuck and couldn't let any of the other trucks load in.
Otherwise, I'm gonna get in myself. Whose truck is that? No one knows who this truck is?
Like, whose f***ing truck is this right now? You need to move, because the drivers weren't even in the truck.
This is the bottleneck right here. It needs to be f***ing fixed. Lauren to Daniel, go to someone from Constellation and make sure they're ready. I need a dock master. Someone that's gonna tell everybody where to go. They shouldn't be there. This guy was ready to go. Now that truck was delayed. I need somebody that's gonna put this piece of the puzzle together. Thank God he gave us the go-ahead to start early. This is the part of the job you don't see, is that you have to be a dock master in order to make sure your trucks get in. Otherwise, this would have been the critical breaking point of my entire day. Let's go! We're good. The band is gonna come right here after this guy.
I am scared out of my mind. I've been talking to all of my vendors, I've been talking to the museum, and this is the biggest production that they've ever had, that they've ever allowed. I don't even know why. All I know is that this wedding is going to, if we succeed, we will be setting new standards.
Just gotta keep everybody moving. Good. Is that everything? Is that all my trucks?
Yeah, that's it, no more. Good job.
Thank you. Brian, be aware that Nuage's team only speaks Spanish and they're not aware of where things are going. So if something comes in here that's supposed to be the after party, send it back.
So I think the perspective you're going to see with this POV is what it looks like when everything is on the line and what it takes to hustle and move hundreds of vendors and people to cross that line.
I'm okay. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. El cuarto se llama Pavilion. El cuarto se llama Pavilion. I know. They don't speak English. We're gonna have to make this work.
They're coming right now.
They're coming?
Yeah, I have to come.
Then it. Then this is the last table then?
This is the last table.
Okay, fine.
Everything else?
Lauren to Daniel. When this escort card is set up, this board, I need you to go through and make sure all of these numbers and names are perfect. Obviously, things got a little messy in the move.
Got it, copy that.
Ashley to Brian.
Brian Floral. Lauren, can you come meet me in the East Garden?
Time check, 4:50. We have 10 minutes left over here until we have to start moving team members from here to go to the front of the house. Hi guys, you look beautiful. I'm gorgeous.
Oh, no, you're
right.
fine. I'm good.
Oh, you look gorgeous.
How's it
Beautiful.
going?
Good. Okay guys, follow Ashley this way to Coconut Grove. You guys are gonna take family photos at Coconut Grove, please.
Ashley to all. I just left the client. They're really happy and just taking their time getting ready. I just told the client 5:45 according to the timeline.
So we have the ceremony in the front of house where it's all white and it's very pure, very traditional wedding.
Just pulling up in 2 minutes. Can someone downstairs make sure the bus pulls up? Another few minutes, I'm pushing.
No worries.
Guys, I'm opening now. Brian, place the reserved seating.
and you need to apply pressure and movement and wherever you need in order to make sure the job gets done on time. And I think in this POV, you're going to see where I had to apply that critical pressure and when I did in order to make sure that we met our deliverable, because there was no way that we could be late for that 6 o'clock ceremony. And we weren't. Like, you should look right now on our POV and it will say 6:01, we were walking that bride down the aisle.
Ceremony's off. Guys, I need people to clear in the front. Constellations team. Yes, I have clears with trays. Guys, trays, people are bringing glasses, empty glasses with them. I need people with trays to pick them up.
And then you transition to the outdoor terrace, which is very restoration hardware, tons of chandeliers. Another element that I'm obsessed with is this head table, and we worked with one of our production partners, Ovando, to create an entirely new concept where you have this floral garden coming out of the table, and then it's going to have these beautiful gold candelabras inside of this massive table for our bride and groom and their bridal party and immediate family. And Amanda and Kevin are such a wonderful couple. They love the details. It's been such a fun journey planning with them. They wanted something quintessential Palm Beach with an edge, and I think that LLG really provided that for them.
I'm gonna have the two of you come in first. Guys, I'm coming in with bride and groom. Are we good? Are we ready?
We took a design and a concept with this client, and this specific family and couple just wanted to push boundaries. When they interviewed, they wanted a complex design. They wanted something that was really ornate and beautiful and all in on the details, and it was.
And inside the pavilion with the train car is dinner and dancing, where you guys see a custom dance floor that we created with Frost Productions in CC, New York. And we have this gorgeous candlelight. Again, lots of white and green flowers. We made it. This POV will be very interesting for you all, but it's absolutely gorgeous. We're so happy for you. Congratulations, Amanda and Kevin. We love you guys so, so much. And I hope today was everything you dreamed of and more. And thank you for choosing LLG to be a part of this incredible, special milestone. This is gorgeous. We're gonna do like one continuous aisle.
This morning it was not supposed to rain, and now we're at 45% chance.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.